Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted a really lovely package with a Starline M66 tracker and the Autowatch Ghost 2. Customer wanted Autowatch Ghost 2, so we fitted this. The whole point of the Autowatch Ghost 2 is if someone was to break into his house and take his keys and try and start it, it would have to go through a push sequence with the Autowatch, or if someone was to clone the key, they wouldn't be able to start it. So we're going to show how it works. So obviously someone's cloned the key, they've jumped in, they've started it, car starts, but as soon as they select a gear, you'll see they won't be able to select a gear. See, won't come out of gear. Okay, and it stalls. So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, he turns the ignition on or he starts it, goes through a push sequence. On here we've done something very simple. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a flash from the park and the neutral as a handshake. We can start the vehicle now and select a gear. See, we can select a gear and we can drive off. Really simple, really straightforward. Also has the facility that if you wanted to change the code because you think someone may have seen it, this is straightforward. So again, main ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, get your flash, there you go. Then your foot right down on the accelerator, repeat the same code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. When this begins to flash, release. Now it's flashing, so we let go. So now what we're going to do, we're going to do it on this side, just simple. So every time we tap it, we're going to get a flash. Once we pause, we're going to get 3 flashes. So it's confirmed that it's accepted it, and we're going to repeat it again. So watch carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 flashes. And repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 flashes. Ignition off, and now it's learnt. So now what we're going to do, we're going to try the old code. And you're going to see that nothing's going to happen. So let's just start the vehicle. Try the old code. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, no handshake. And there you go, won't let us select a gear. So ignition off. Ignition back on. Try the new code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the handshake. There you go. Start the vehicle. And select your gear. There you go, we can drive away. Finally, you want to take the car for a service or to a mechanic and you don't want to disclose the code. And the way you would do that is ignition on, main ignition on, insert your code, so 1, 2, 3, 4, get your double flash, and then put it in valid mode. To put it in valid mode, we've got the electronic park button just above my knee. So if we hit that 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, you'll get 5 flashes here. There you go. So now this is in valet mode, so which means we can start it as many times as we want. Select a gear. See, straightforward. When you get the vehicle back, just to take it out of valet mode, simple, just ignition on, put your code in. Get your flash. There you go. Start your vehicle. Select a gear. There you go. But now if we leave it for 10 seconds, put it back into park, leave it for about 10 seconds, it will then become protected again. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto. Company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478. 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.